Using Figma to Webflow plugin is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can correctly use Figma to Webflow plugin. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Figma and I'm going to open up this project. After opening up this project, let it just load, and you just simply have to click on these 4 dots. And here you have to type in Webflow. Just make sure you are at the plugin section, not in the components. So you just need to go to plugins and need to search for Webflow. You will see this plugin. So if I click on that, it will just load up and you just have to click on next. And what it will do is it will link your Webflow's account. So I'm just going to attach my website right here, and I'm going to click on this authorize app. Now what it will do is it will give the authorization to this. Now if I click on this, let's start. This will just simply allow me to put this design that I designed in Figma to put this into my website. As you guys can see, I was able to see where do I want to put it. So I'm just gonna put it anywhere. I'm just gonna click on this nav left, and as you guys can see, the nav bar from my Webflow just popped up into the Figma. I can edit it and paste it back to Webflow. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.